Hello and good day, everyone. Today we're going to talk about my favorite fruit. First, what is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango, banana, orange, apple, watermelon. For example, my favorite fruit is mango. It is one of the most popular tropical fruits in my country, and I have loved it since I was a child. Second, why do you like this fruit? I like it because it is sweet, delicious, fresh, juicy, healthy. It gives me a lot of vitamins and energy. For example, I like it because it is sweet, juicy, and very delicious. Mangoes give me a lot of vitamins, especially vitamin C, which helps me stay healthy and energetic. Eating mango always makes me feel refreshed. Third one, how often do you eat it? I eat it every day, once or twice a week, only in the summer. For example, I usually eat mangoes 2 or 3 times a week, especially in the summer when they are cheaper and fresher. Fourth one, where can you buy it? I can buy it at the market, in the supermarket, from fruit shops, sometimes from my family's garden. For example, I can buy mangoes in the supermarket, at the local market, or sometimes my uncle brings them from his garden. Fifth, how do you usually eat it? I usually eat it fresh. Make juice, smoothie, fruit salad, ice cream. For example, I often eat them fresh after washing and cutting into slices. Sometimes my mother makes mango smoothies or even mango ice cream, which I really enjoy. Sixth, what do you like most about that fruit? I like that it is healthy and keeps me strong. It is also cheap and easy to find. It makes me happy whenever I eat it. For example, what I like most about mango is that it is both healthy and delicious. It is also very common in Vietnam, so I can easily find it everywhere. Whenever I eat mango, I feel happy and relaxed as if I'm enjoying the taste of summer. So that is all about my favorite fruit. Thank you.